Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 24 of the New England farmhouse renovation. This is a perfect example today of the best laid plans often go awry because as you look behind me and up on the wall, well, that was all supposed to be drywalled today. That was our goal, was to get this wall drywalled so that we can basically get that soffit built around all of the utilities that are in there. And instead of doing that, I had to tear all of the drywall and insulation out of this wall here. And the reason I had to do that was because as I was pulling off the frame for this window, I was going to put in a new frame so that all the casements matched in the whole house. I noticed that there were some presents in the wall. And taking out a little piece of drywall, it seems that a family of squirrels had made their home there. And while they were not present, thank goodness, when I was taking it apart, they did do a great job of messing up all the insulation and, as I said, leaving presents everywhere in the form of just acorns. And so I had a massive acorns that we had to clean out and then take all the insulation out. And that was what my job was today. Instead of drywalling over here, we ended up stripping out this wall. And so it's not just simply a matter of putting insulation back in here. There's a couple things I need to do. This is kind of gives you a perfect impression of how they used to frame these. And everything was notched. So this is a very typical post and beam or balloon wall framing that they see here. Goes all the way up. It's got a sill and then it continues up. Well, I don't exactly have my 16 inches on center here, so I'm going to add a couple more boards in here, and then we're going to have someone come and remove this slant fin because there's no reason to heat this. We're going to get plenty of heat coming up into this foyer, so we're going to just have a straight pipe here, and then the pipe's going to get buried against here, and then we're going to do a little soffit that goes around it, and it's going to continue all the way around so it hides all of our utilities. And yeah, that's kind of where I got stuck today, was really kind of cleaning that out. I did, however, get to get my final coat of plaster in the kitchen, which is great because that sets me up in a great place tomorrow where I can come in here and I can paint it. And like I had said a couple episodes ago, this is really brings us to a degree of triage where we're trying to get the rooms that we can completed and painted. So if I can get the bathroom painted and completed, then we're going to check it off our list. If I can get the kitchen all painted, then we can check this off our list. And that's really how you get these projects done, is you just slowly grind away and start check things off. So yeah, that was what we did today, and while it was not exactly what I planned to do, we didn't waste the day by any means. So end of day number 24, still feeling good about getting in here by the time we get to episode 50. And yeah, I like that you guys are cheering me on. I like you guys are asking questions, so ask away. And well, we'll see you on day number 25 when hopefully we'll be able to call the kitchen done. See y'all then.